When we started developing Gaia, we thought about all different types of profiles in a company. So if you work on operations and if you are a translation reviewer or LQA tester, you have the translation grid and you also have other features in Gaia. If you work in management or the executive level, you have several types of reports that can help you take decisions very quickly. Today, I'm going to talk about the portfolio. And first, I'm going to tell you what this is. Second, I'm going to show you how to create filters for the portfolio. And then I'm going to show you how to create new portfolios based on the projects that you have available on Gaia. So let's start by showing you the overview here in the screen. And you can see that there are 4 projects here. The Epic 2, Healthy Gamer, Revolution, and the Epic. And this is a total of the projects that you have. These are the ones that are at risk. So there are several ways of understanding why a project is at risk. You can go to the project card on the product landing page and see which ones have passed the deadline for a specific workflow. But here, you can quickly see that 3 are late. And this is how you understand that. So the next step was supposed to be delivered on 1st of July, but now we are in August. So it's the same here. It was supposed to be delivered at the end of July, and this is late, the same here. And this is medium just because there is nothing configured as a deadline, as a delivery date. Based on the projects that we see here, you can also understand the average completion. So it's 22%, 9 out of 1,240 segments were translated. If you go to filters, this is mostly for managers and executive level, and you can see a very quick description of the project. You can see what is the portfolio that it belongs to, all the languages, the progress, the risk, the number of people assigned to this project, and when it was last updated. You can, of course, search by the name of the project here by clicking on Portfolio, Search Projects. You can also search by status. It can be draft, active, in review, or ready for export. The risk level, high, medium, or low. All the target languages or specific target languages, and all portfolios or the specific portfolio that you choose. The third tab here on the portfolio overview is the portfolio creation. So right now we have one portfolio that is called the Epic franchise, and it has the Epic 1 and the Epic 2. So these are the 2 games for the Epic franchise. And when you go to filters, you can actually select the Epic franchise, and you can understand the challenges of these specific projects instead of all the projects that you have available. And if you also go to overview, it changes the calculation. So before it was 22%, but now, because we selected only the portfolio, the Epic, it's 2%. To create a new portfolio, just go to the portfolios, delete this one here. Actually, just go to filters and there you go. Let's say I want to combine different projects now. So Healthy Gamer and Revolution, they are going to be a new portfolio, and I'm gonna say that this is portfolio 2. Add portfolio. And then I'm going to click here to select portfolio 2, and I'm going to assign these projects to this portfolio. So assign to selected. When I do this, I have now 2 portfolios, 2 different portfolios to analyze. If you go to overview with nothing selected, it's going to calculate again based on all the projects that you have. But if you select filters, you can change to portfolio 2 with these projects only, Healthy Gamer and Revolution. And now in overview, it is going to show you exactly the status of these 2 projects. So again, you see 2 projects, 42% completion. If you select the Epic franchise, it's going to change to 2%. And if you do not select anything, you put all portfolios, it is going to show everything that you have, all the projects that you have access to. So this is another quick way to understand if there are challenges with specific projects, how to segment them, how to filter them, and how to assign them to different portfolios so you can quickly analyze the risks and take action to mitigate these risks as soon as you can. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.